Hey guys, Katie here from Katie DeGroff Knits, and I am going to show you my little trick for keeping proper tension when working a slip 3. I have a ton of patterns that will slip 3 stitches at one time, and it can be difficult to not make it too loose, but then you don't want it to be too tight. You do not want to pucker your work. It being too loose will give you just as bad of effect as being too tight. So I have a little tension trick that I use. So I am going to flip you around and show that to you now, both on the right side and the wrong side of the work. Okay, now we are ready to work our tension trick. This will work for any number of slip stitches that you're working at a time. I find I encounter 3 the most, so that I'm going to show you on a pattern that has a slip 3. So I've slipped my next 3 stitches. This is the right side of my work. I will also be showing you on the wrong side. But for right now, we're on the right side. I've slipped my 3 stitches. Now I'm getting ready to knit. Well, if I just go ahead and knit, it's going to pucker my work. And if I go ahead and I wrap the yarn all around my finger or try to leave, just guesstimate and leave a bunch of yarn, it can leave loose gaps on either side of my slips. So I pinch my working yarn, hold it back, knit my next stitch. I have this little loop, too much. I will pull to adjust my tension. Then I continue on. I am left with the perfect amount of tension. I'm going to show that to you again. Slipped my 3 stitches, pinch my yarn back here, knit my next stitch, and this will work if you're purling too, it does not matter. Work your next stitch. You have too much, adjust it until you have exactly how much tension you want. Then you continue on. And your tension will be the same throughout. If you see these floats, they're all the same. Now I'm going to work ahead and then I'm going to show you on the wrong side. Okay, I have the wrong side of my work lined up. Okay, so I have my next 3 stitches slipped. I'm going to purl my next stitch. Now on the right side we pinched it to hold it back. Now I'm going to wrap it around my thumb to give me excess. Well, if I take my thumb away, that's way too much. But you pull it until you have exactly the tension you want. And you just keep working. So let's look at that again. We have our stitches that we want slipped. Go to purl our next stitch. I'm going to wrap it around my thumb, purl, and then pull to adjust my tension. Then continue on. Show it to you one more time. Here. Go to purl our next stitch, wrap it around my thumb, purl, pull to adjust tension, continue on working. This little trick has saved me from worrying about gaps or puckering on my work. Every float is the same. I want to thank you for joining me and seeing my little proper tension trick for slipping 3 stitches at a time in your work. And if you've liked this video, be sure to check out my podcast and subscribe to my channel, and you'll get notified when I post a new video. So, happy knitting, everybody!